Authorities in Italy have issued a red alert for Sicily as violent storms lashed the island. Torrential rainfall, winds and dangerous storm surges left the coastal communities struggling to cope with the widespread flooding and disruptions. In fact, the video showed powerful waves surging, sweeping across flooded roads. In fact, Italy's area declared the highest weather warning, urging residents to avoid unnecessary travel and coastal areas. Regional officials and schools were closed in around 150 municipalities, with transport along coastal zones severely disrupted. Emergency services remained on high alert as forecasters warned severe weather could persist into the evening. They urged residents to avoid unnecessary travel and coastal areas. Authorities say that the priority is protecting lives and limiting damage as Sicily braces for further storms. Violent storms also battered Catania. The harbour was inundated as surging seas sank a fishing boat and damaged several vessels. Streets across the city were submerged, with firefighters handling numerous emergency calls related to flooding and fallen debris.
The municipal administration has decided to evacuate the residents who live in streets right along the seafront and the rocky coastline out of concern that the waves from the sea could reach and strike the houses themselves. So this seems to be a legitimate concern. Some other streets are also affected because there are streams that are likewise dangerous. That is essentially the situation.